Chaga, chaga, choo choo. This is chaga. It is a beautiful fungus. Technically, it's not a mushroom. Scientifically speaking, the more accurate term is a canker or a conch, but a lot of people use the term mushroom colloquially for ease of communication and use. But this is an amazing fungus nonetheless, and it's been used for so long. You know, in Finland, it's actually been used as a substitute for coffee. It tastes super good, and a lot of people will actually, put this into their coffee, a chaga tea, or replace coffee entirely. It has a really earthy, vanilla, kind of creamy taste. It's super, super good and very good for you as well. Chaga is well known for helping support our immune health. It's an incredible adaptogen, meaning it helps our body support itself against occasional stress and fatigue, and beautiful fungus. You can see it growing on birch trees in the wild, and it has this dark melanin coating on the outside. It almost looks like burnt charcoal growing right out of the bark of a birch tree. And inside it has this golden inside. And one of the common names for chaga is the gold of the forest, or some people like to refer to it as the king of mushrooms. So it is an incredible fungus to work with, and that's why we use it here at Mushroom Revival. Something to keep in mind is that it has a symbiotic relationship with the birch tree. And so some companies will grow the mycelium or the roots of the mushroom in a sterile lab without the birch tree, and they'll grow it on a media like rice or oats. And when they're done, the final product is missing dozens of the main functional compounds that you get when you use the actual conch or the canker. So that's something to keep in mind, is that you want to use the actual conch or canker if you want the best chaga around. That's something to really keep in mind as a conscious consumer. The other thing is that chaga and all functional mushrooms have two classes of compounds that are beneficial to the body, some that are soluble in water and some in alcohol or other fats or other solvents. And so it's good for a company to use both, so you're getting the most out of your product, and you're getting the most bang for your buck, and all the compounds are bioavailable for your body. So making sure it's dual extracted, that's what we do for all of our products, and it's something that we're really passionate about, is making sure that we're having the best high quality products around. So that is a little bit 101 on chaga. Hopefully inspired you to learn more about chaga and other functional mushrooms and other mushrooms, period. As always, much love, and may the spores be with you.